For making Matar Pulao, we need rice. Here I have used long grain Basmati rice. We also need onions, green peas, cumin seeds and whole garam masala. First of all, take a bowl and add the rice. Wash the rice properly and soak it for 30 minutes. Then drain off the water. Heat oil in a pan on medium to high heat. Add cumin seeds, whole garam masala and let them crackle. Once done, add the chopped onions and fry them until they become soft. Now add the green peas and fry them for a minute. Here I have used fresh peas, but you can use frozen peas too. Now add the washed basmati rice and fry them very gently for 2 minutes. We will now add salt and mix everything well. Once done, add the rice to the rice cooker pot. Now add water. Here I have used 1.5 cup of rice, so I will add 3 cups of water. Place the pot in rice cooker and cook it for 30 minutes. Our Matar Pulao is now ready. You can garnish the Matar Pulao with some chopped coriander leaves. That's all for today's video. Hope you all have liked it. If yes, then please like, comment and share this video with all your friends and family members. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.